A very good morning, class 3rd B. I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy. So, class, in today's session, we are going to read page number 45 and 46 of our NCERT book of chapter number 7, Saying Without Speaking. So, we speak, okay, without saying. There are so many ways to express ourselves without saying. Okay, so now let's begin with the chapter. Dumb Charters. Let's play a game. In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Divide yourself in groups of 7. So now we are going to play a game, class, in which everyone has to let others know what they want to tell, but we have one condition, and that is without speaking. We are not going to speak, we are going to express ourselves without speaking. It can be through our eye movement, it can be through our hands movement. So we are not going to speak, but there is the condition, and we are going to divide ourselves in the group of 7. Now, your teacher will give each group a piece of paper with a situation written on it. Now, class, the teacher will give everyone a piece of paper in which the teacher will write a situation. It can be any situation. It can be situation for exams, winter, summers, and you have to guess it off. Now, each group will read what is written on the paper and prepare a silent act. Now, class, as we have divided the group and we have given every group one situation, the group will act, okay, they will try to express the other people without speaking, and they have to tell what the situation it is. And we cannot speak that. We have to keep one thing in mind. We can express through face and body actions also. We can roll our eyes. We can go with our hands also, like one with thumb, second, and so on. But we are not allowed to speak. When all the groups are ready with their act, they have to perform one by one in front of the other people. Now, all the groups which are there, if they are ready to perform, to act, okay, one by one they will be coming in front of other groups, so that they people have to guess what is there, what situation is there. And remember, there is one condition, that we have to say without speaking. We are not allowed to say, but we can use our body gestures, we can use our eyes, we can use our hands. Okay, so how did you like this game? This is one of the wonderful game, because we are expressing, and that too without speaking. Did you find it difficult to act without speaking? No, it is not difficult. Now there is one image that is given in the next page, that is page number 46. The children in the image, the picture, are talking to each other through actions. Now we can see that there is a picture in page number 46, and the children are talking with each other without saying. They are talking with actions. When do people need to talk like this? They are asking the question, when we need to talk like this. Now let's see what does page number 46 tell us. Now class, most of us can hear and speak. Now we all know that we can hear and we can speak very easily. But there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. So class, there are certain number of people, there are certain children like this who cannot speak nor they can hear what you're speaking. So these people talk through actions. So in order to communicate themselves, they talk with the help of actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movement. Now, these people are gifted by God a special kind of power that they understand what other person is saying with the help of lip movement. They are able to study the lip movements, how their lips are moving and what they are saying. So these children have a special kind of a power in which they are able to study what is there, what they are trying to express with the help of lip movement. All of us cannot do everything. So class, we all know that we can do certain things, we cannot do every single thing. Likewise, some of us sing well, okay, some of the students in the class can sing very well, others write good poetry, some of us can climb trees quickly while others can run fast. So these are the activities which others and some can do and others cannot. Everyone is talented in their own way, everyone is unique in their own way, and some can draw well, others can sing in tune. So we all are special in our own ways. Likewise, we all are unique, we are all talented, we all are different in our own way, okay. Hence, in schools we can learn from each other. In our school, we know that our friend knows a different kind of activity, so we can learn from him or her. Like all the children who cannot speak and hear also go to the school and read and write. So class, there are certain children who cannot hear and speak, but they also go to the school so that they can get knowledge, they can write, they can express ourselves in schools, okay. And this sign language is taught to them. So in order to express themselves, the sign language that which we can see in the image is being taught to them so that they can express themselves, they can understand each other and they can communicate, okay. So you have to read page number 45 and 46 of your NCERT book, okay, and submit the work on time. Thank you.